Welcome to Tector. We'll guide you through checking signal strength and troubleshooting your gateway. To view the graphs showing signal strength, navigate to the Sensors tab on the left. Then select the sensor whose signal strength you want to check. Scroll down to the Timber Moisture Monitoring graph. Then click the signal strength icon in the bottom right corner. To evaluate signal strength, focus on the Transmit Power graph, which shows how much power sensor uses to send signals to the gateway. Higher transmit power generally improves range and reliability by allowing signals to travel further and better penetrate obstacles. But it also drains the battery faster. Another key parameter is the spreading factor, which determines how fast and how reliably the device sends data. Spreading factor 7 is considered best, whereas spreading factor 12 is less optimal. You can also adjust the time period for which your sensor values should be displayed by simply clicking on the calendar icon in the bottom right corner. If the light on top turns red, it indicates that the gateway has a weak or no connection. In this case, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. First, turn off the power. Then remove the SD card and reinsert it, making sure it clicks into place. Do the same with the SIM card, ensuring you hear a click when it is properly inserted. Once both cards are securely in place, turn the power back on and wait about 30 seconds. Finally, press and hold the reset button on the back of the gateway for 10 seconds. This may require a pointed object such as a pen. Sometimes the gateway's location can cause the issue. In this case, try moving it to a different spot on the site, ideally as high as possible to improve coverage. Keep it away from metal, glass, and aluminium, as these materials can interfere with signal reception and reduce connectivity. If the issue with connectivity still persists, connect the gateway to the internet using an Ethernet cable for improved signal stability.